Hi, I'm Dan Brinton, the product manager here at Domo. If you've been using Domo for a while, you're perfectly familiar with all the tools at your fingertips and all the data and content you can create. Cards, dashboards, apps, datasets, DataFlows, workflows. Your Domo is packed. And as things have grown, it's gotten harder to organize your content, share it with the right people, and quickly find what you need. It's a jungle in there. There have been workarounds and hacks, but there's never really been a single unified organizing structure. And we've heard that pain, and look, we use Domo ourselves, and so we have felt the pain too. And that's why I'm happy to let you know that Workspaces is generally available to all Domo customers as of our May 2026 release. And if you've been using it in beta, I think you'll agree that it's meaningfully better than when we first released it to beta last fall. So let me take these few minutes, let me take you on a tour, and hopefully at the end of that time, you are as excited about Workspaces as we are. Let's get started. I'll start by creating a new workspace. Click here and give it a name. Let's call it Sales Ops. And then I'll give it a description. All Sales Ops team members, deliverables and dependencies, one-stop shop for data products. So I created my workspace. Now I'm ready to add content. I can do that here in the workspace or out in Domo, wherever the content lives. I'll show you that in a minute. For now, I'll add the RVP app. I can search and filter to find what I'm looking for. And the cards we're working on for our sales rep performance app. And then just like that, add the content to the workspace. A couple of improvements worth calling out. Cards now show a thumbnail rather than a static icon, and we've brought descriptions to workspace content. So you can display the description that's already on the content, or you can write one that's unique to this workspace, and that's great for giving your team the information that's most important while working in the context of this particular workspace. To keep things organized, I can create folders and subfolders. So I'll create a folder for my sales rep performance cards, and then we'll drop those cards into the folder. For the most important content, maybe it's that C-suite dashboard you built, or maybe it's your team's custom fantasy football app, you can pin it to the top of the workspace so you'll always have one-click access. In my case, I will pin the RVP app. One of my favorite things about Workspaces is that they hold all my content, not just apps and dashboards. So I'm going to create a new folder and call it Data Pipeline. And then I'm going to go add the data sets that power the cards and apps in this workspace. So I'll go find those data sets now. And then just like that, add the content to the workspace. Now, you saw that one of those data sets is a DataFlow output. I could add the DataFlow to the workspace from here, but I'm going to use this opportunity to show you that you can also add content to a workspace from wherever you find it. So I'm going to navigate to DataFlows, and I'm going to find that DataFlow that created that data set I was just talking about. I'll go into the details, click the three-dot menu, and then add to workspace. Now, we've added full search, sort, and filter to the workspace picker, so it's easy to find the one you're looking for. And you can add content to the workspace at its top level or into a specific folder. So in this case, I'm going to add this data flow into the data pipeline folder. Now, in this workspace, I've got my finished products, the apps and cards, and I've also got all the upstream ETL and data sets that support them co-located here in this single workspace. Now, workspaces aren't just about content organization. They're also about access management. Workspace users automatically inherit read access to all the content in the workspace. And if they ever leave the team, you can remove them from the workspace and they'll lose that inherited access while they still retain any other access that might have been granted by some other route. Workspaces is generally available as of our May 2026 release, so there's no time like the present to help your team organize their content, swarm on the jobs to be done, and share what they've built. With Workspaces, you have the key to create order amid chaos. All your content, all your users in their own organized, described, foldered corner of the Domoverse. Not too bad at all. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next Domo Drop.